Before buying a digital microscope, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, 1000X handheld microscope. The 1000X handheld microscope for kids really caught my eye, especially with its price point of just $45.42. This is a mini pocket digital microscope that's rechargeable and comes with a slides kit, which is perfect for introducing kids to the wonders of science. If you want an affordable, portable tool for your kids to explore the microscopic world, this is worth a serious look. The 1000X magnification is impressive, especially for young learners who are just beginning to explore. You can easily examine leaves, tiny insects, or even your own skin, all from a comfortable 2.0 screen. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You're giving your child an interactive, educational experience that could spark a lifelong interest in science. Plus, with over...
Product number 2, Tomlov DM9 7-inch digital microscope. The Tomlov DM9 7-inch digital microscope caught my attention right away with its 1080p resolution and ability to magnify up to 1200x. Priced at $88.33, this coin microscope is designed for adults, making it a reliable option for serious hobbyists. If you want a detailed view of coins or other small objects, this is worth a serious look. The 1080p resolution means you can see every detail of a coin or component you're inspecting. Imagine zooming in to check for subtle errors in your collection. This is exactly what you need for that level of precision. Plus, with over 1,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many are finding it valuable. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It allows you to inspect and analyze details you simply can't see with the naked eye. However, some users did mention that the focus can be tricky to adjust at times. I'll be real with you. If you don't have a steady hand or patience, it might frustrate you. But for most, the quality and detail you'll get once you have it set up are well worth the slight learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're serious about coin collecting or electronics repair. Skip this one if you want something for casual use or for kids. For the price, it's a solid investment. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility, the SkyBasic Wireless Digital Microscope. Product number 3, SkyBasic Wireless Digital Microscope. The SkyBasic Wireless Digital Microscope is an intriguing option, priced at $37.85. This portable handheld device offers magnification from 50x to 1000x and is compatible with both mobile devices and computers. If you want flexibility in how you observe, this is worth a serious look. What makes this microscope stand out is its Wi-Fi capability, allowing you to connect with your smartphone or computer easily. You can take photos and videos with just the press of a button, which is incredibly user-friendly. Product number 4, Tomlov DM9 Max Digital Microscope. The Tomlov DM9 Max Digital Microscope is a step up, priced at $148.24. With a powerful 20-megapixel camera and a large 10.1-inch display, this microscope is tailored for those who want an exceptional viewing experience. If you need high-resolution images for precision work, this is worth a serious look. The 20-megapixel camera allows for stunning detail, making it ideal for professionals and enthusiasts alike. You can easily examine coins, tiny circuit boards, or even intricate jewelry. Plus, the HDMI output means you can view your findings on a larger screen, which is a game-changer for presentations. Here's why this matters for you. You're not just looking, you're analyzing with clarity and depth. Now, some people have mentioned that the setup can be a bit complicated. I didn't expect this, but it's not too daunting if you're comfortable with tech. Just take your time with the instructions and you'll be fine. For most users, the quality far outweighs any initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you're in need of a high-quality microscope for detailed work. Skip this one if you're just dabbling in microscopy or need something simple. The investment is definitely worth it for serious users. Now, if the complexity of the DM9 Max doesn't appeal to you,
Product number 5, Tomlov Tri-L 107 3-lens digital microscope. The Tomlov Tri-L107 3-lens digital microscope stands out with its 2500x magnification and 2K HDMI output, priced at $167.83. This model offers 3 different lenses, making it super versatile for various types of observation. If you require a microscope that adapts to different needs, this is worth a serious look. With the ability to switch between lenses, you get a range of magnification options, which is fantastic for examining anything from tiny coins to larger specimens. The 14 LED lights help illuminate your subject perfectly, ensuring clarity. Here's why this matters for you. It gives you the flexibility to observe a wide range of objects without needing multiple microscopes. However, some users have noted that the buttons for adjusting the settings can be a bit unintuitive. This part frustrated me, as I expected something more straightforward. But once you familiarize yourself with it, the benefits far outweigh this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you need an all-in-one microscope for a variety of uses. Skip this one if you only need a microscope for a specific task. For the price, it delivers excellent value with its versatility.
So, to wrap it all up, we explored 5 fantastic digital microscopes. The 1000X handheld microscope for kids, the Tomlov DM9, the Sky Basic wireless microscope, the Tomlov DM9 Max, and the Tomlov Tri-L107. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what you need most. Whether it's for kids, serious collecting, or just casual observation, there's something for everyone here. Happy exploring!